today, oh, you're looking over there. Let's just pretend these aren't here. I'm on holiday. Welcome, Squaddies, to a brand new episode of Cooking Leanness. I'm mitigating whoopsies with a healthy, tasty, easy, lean recipe that I'm about to show you. And it's called Spicy Kimchi Fried Cauliflower Rice. What is kimchi? Well, it's fermented vegetables, okay? And it is full of nutrients, really good for your gut health. It's a probiotic. It's a nutrient-dense source of vitamins, tons of minerals, fiber. All right, so we're gonna get straight into the recipe. What you need is, we're doing this a little differently today. We need kimchi, eggies, garlic, carrots, sriracha, soy sauce, sesame oil, cauliflower rice, and frozen peas. All right, first things first, we're gonna chop up some garlic and carrots, okay? I got 2 carrots, I got 2.5, 3 cloves of garlic, all right? Just chop them up. We're gonna put sesame oil in the pan, 2 tablespoons, and then we're gonna add the garlic. And then we're adding the chopped carrots. Got our chopped carrots, frozen peas, and garlic, and sesame oil, and we're gonna let those all cook up for a few minutes, and then we're gonna add our frozen cauliflower rice. Everything's cooking up there. What you wanna do next is chop up some kimchi. We're adding our cauliflower rice. We got the cauliflower rice mixing with the peas, the carrots, the sesame oil, and then we're gonna add our kimchi, okay? So about 1 to 2 cups of kimchi. It is up to you. That's my kimchi. I used the whole bottle. The whole bottle is right here, chopped it up. Locked and loaded. I'm gonna do a little bit of soy sauce, not a ton. Light soy sauce, light sriracha is going in the pan, okay? Ooh. Just a little bit of sesame oil, just 2 eggs, and I'm gonna move it all over, make a little space for the eggies, fry them up, and then we mix everything. There we go, Squaddies. That is really how easy the leanness can be. That only took 15 minutes. Super healthy, extra lean, and it's meals like these that not only help you achieve your weight loss, your fat loss goals, but ultimately keep you feeling healthy. Please make sure you subscribe to the channel. Let me know if you make this meal in the comments below. And finally, please check out the custom 90-day lean plan, www.lean-squad.com. That's where I make my full custom lean plans tailored to you. And let's get lean in 2019.